It was evening time and all the children were very happy because they had to listen to the story from grandmother like every day. They were just finishing the dinner when all the children ran to grandmother's room. Everyone started looking at the children leaving with surprised eyes that the children were finally killed. As soon as the evening came, the Battle of the Games was played on the TV remote. Grandmother said, "This is the miracle of all the stories. The children are far from nature. They did not know the world of stories. Now they forget everything else in the interest of the world of the story." Fafo said, "Oh, so they all reach your room in the cycle of the story." Grandmother smiled. As soon as grandmother entered the room there, but the already assembled army started making noise. "Grandmother, what story will we listen to today? Grandmother, what story will we listen to today? Grandmother, smile, dear children. Today we will listen to the story of Princess Danak." All the children spoke one language, story of Princess Danak. Grandmother said, "Yes, children. Story of Princess Danak." Then grandmother started telling the story of Princess Danak. This is the story of Alia, who is the darling of her house. Alia loves Danak so much that everyone calls her Princess Danak. Today is her birthday, and he is very sad because no one wished him a happy birthday. She expected that when I wake up in the morning, everyone would give me birthday wishes and gifts, but no one did. Of course, no one remembers my birthday. Bashri was curious. Another name of Danak is the rainbow. In English we call it rainbow. Danka is made up of 7 colors including red, Maltese, yellow, blue, purple, green and deep blue. When raindrops are in the air and sunlight passes through them, a rainbow of 7 colors is formed. Becomes in the sky. It is called Danak. Experts say that Danak is not really present in the sky, but it depends on the location of the observer. Newton proved that white light is made up of 7 colors of sound. Children, did you know that sound can be arranged in different ways? It is called flavors of Danak. Akil said, "Grandma, I also want to see this Danak." Daddy smiled. "Children, we can't see Danak all the time. When will you see Danak?" Aram said, "Can I wake up in the morning and see Danak?" Zainab said, "Yes, you can see it any time. You are Danak Shahzadeh Hona." Grandmother said, "Don't be afraid. Generally, when half the sky is cloudy and..." Aram said, "Can I wake up in the morning and see Danak?" Zainab said, "Yes, you can see it any time. You are Danak Shahzadeh Hona." Grandmother said, "Don't be afraid. Generally, when half the sky is cloudy and half the sky is clear, there is a cloud in the sky. But as I said, it can't be seen everywhere. It depends on the location and the angle at which the light is passing through it." Bashra said, "Grandma, what happened to Princess Danak's birthday?" Grandmother said, "Alia went to school in a worried state. Even at school, none of her friends congratulated her. After returning from school, she went to her maternal grandmother's house. Even there, no one remembered Alia's birthday. Alia became very sad. Aram asked, "Grandma, what is Alia? No one loves." Grandma smiled, "No, don't be such a thing at all." Everyone started asking, "Then why does anyone remember Alia's birthday?" Grandmother started saying, "It will be known at the end of the story." Everyone became silent. Grandmother said, "Move the story forward." Alia walked around sad all day thinking that no one loves me, no one remembers my birthday. Now I won't talk to anyone. But when she came back home with Mom at night, she was shocked. Everyone first were present at home. Grandmothers, cousins and her friends all loudly said, "Happy birthday Danak Shahzadi." Alia was surprised to see that everyone remembered my birthday. The house was so well decorated and the cake was decorated with icing. Thus, everyone gave Alia a head prize and all her sadness disappeared. Bushra said, "Grandmother, you should do the same for my birthday." Everyone started laughing. Aram said, "I want to see Dunk when it's rainy season." "I will definitely see it." All the children said, "We will see it too." Grandmother said, "Come on, it's late now. All the children go to sleep." All the children went to sleep and grandmother was happy that the children were getting closer to nature. No one came far to release these rats. Bangles of thunder were worn on the clouds. How did you like today's story? Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell button to listen to your favorite story.